Okay, well, this is Blizzard 2011 in Aurora, Illinois. This is right outside my house. That snowbank right there. My mom's truck. See, some idiots still driving outside. But obviously you guys can see the snow blowing. My neighbor, he's leaving. You know, a car can see the place across the street. There's a car over there too. Wonder who's stranded there tonight. Cars. My tree. Mountains to decoration. And the snow is only going to be getting bigger. And bigger. And bigger. And bigger. And I would say it's probably about at least, well, that little bank right there looks about a foot. So, it's about a foot of snow out there. Possibly. Don't go by my accusations. I'm not that accurate. Look at my street sign. Hardly see it. Usually you can see it. Usually on a clear day. My tree's so pretty. But, yep, clear. 2011. I think I'll update tomorrow. Tell you how much snow is left after. It's supposed to end tomorrow, like around in the afternoonish. So, I will let you know then. Signing off. Meghan. Da da da.